Imagine, if you will, having the ability to, with a single button press, open up all of the applications you need for a certain workflow, certain part of the process, and having all of those windows go exactly where they need to go on your computer. So not only will this button open up all the programs, it will put them where you want them, and then with another press, it will put them all away when you're done. That's exactly what you can do with Moom by Minitricks, used in conjunction with Bunch. So download Moom, and then with Moom, you're going to save the layout. As you can see, I already made a couple, and you'll see how it rearranges everything. So first, you save the layout in Moom. When you do that, this little dialog can come up, and then you can rename it. And we can close that for now. And then we're going to create a bunch. So download this Bunch app, and we are going to create bunches, which is actually quite simple. It's like an Apple script, but in a plain text document. So let me just open this up. And there is a raycast extension too, which is really useful. So you can just open up the Bunch folder. You write plain text. So let's say you were going to make a plain text file, and then just make the extension Bunch. All right. So let's explore what we have here for Safari. As you can see, what we start off, and this is what will happen when you press the toggle the first time. It will hide all visible apps. Then it will open Safari, open ChatGPT, which I want on the left screen, and then we're going to open up a particular Finder folder on the right. So as you can see, you can use this syntax to do that. And all of the documentation is very easy to find on the Bunch's website to know how to write all this stuff. And then this one's very important to get right. Tell application Moom to arrange windows according to the snapshot, which is this Moom snapshot here of Safari, and then a delay. Like a 3-second delay to make sure that everything's loaded before moving everything around. So let's show you how this works. Now, before I press the button, let's open up Stream Deck, and I'm going to show you how this stuff is triggered. Navigate to where you want to go. I put the button here for Safari. You trigger it by a URL, website, and then this is the command here to toggle it. So we have our button there. We have the URL. Now let's close this and let me show you the magic. One button press is going to do it. And there you have it. We have ChatGPT here on the left, Safari in the middle, and then our particular Finder folder on the right. So I found this very easy to set up. Did this in one night, and pretty cheap solution too. Moom is like $15. Bunch is totally free. So definitely check that out.